Hello guys, welcome to the iUltimate concept, the concept that gives you the best of internet experience. On today's tutorial, I'm going to be teaching you how to design a charity website where they can make payments using Bitcoins. Now, this is what I simply mean, where they can make payments using Bitcoins. But first of all, let me just give you a run through of how the website looks like. Now, first of all, this is the home page, and on the home page you see you have a lot of details about the organization. You can see you have the footer menu and the header menu also, and this is how the home page looks like. You see you can also attach all your social media handles on this particular page. Now, this is the about us. This is how the about us looks like. So I designed this website in less than 20 minutes. Now, this is how I'll be showing you on this class how to do all of this. So I want to take you a run through of how all the page looks like. This is the about us page. You can see all the information about them, and you can also edit this to your own way. You can see this is how the about us looks like. So you can see how it looks like. Then what people say, you can see this how it looks like. These are the testimony, and let's go to the course. Okay, now this is how the course looks like. You can see people can actually donate by just clicking the link. You can also add many more of this menu. You can see raising shelter, you want to donate for food, health, and so on and so forth. And also this website also have events. If you want to do any events, you can also upload events on this particular website. Now you can see this is our events, and then also the date and the location this event will be taking place. You can see many, and also this website also have a contact us page. This website also have a contact us page, so you can actually use this particular website for maybe anybody who wants to do an NGO, say an NGO, a charity or donation website. You can actually use this for them. And also you can see it has an email, it has a send email, and it has a location and many more. And lastly, if it has a donation page where people can actually come to and also donate to you. So these are basically all the features the website have. You can see the website have a payment using Bitcoins. Now you can actually input all the details of the someone who wants to pay will input all the details, and also scan this address or scan this BTC barcode, and also input the amount he wants to pay, and also input the transaction ID and click on. The moment the person finishes doing the transfer, he's going to click on donate, and automatically it's going to be sent to your mail telling you such person have donated to you. So this is how you can be able to do it. Now follow me while I dive into my system to show you how you can actually design this website in less than 20 minutes. Hello guys, welcome back. So this is what we'll be installing or creating the websites. So let me refresh so you can see there's nothing on this page. The page is just showing 404 not found, which means there is nothing on this particular page. So what we have to do is to go to our cPanel. You have to log in into your website cPanel. Then you have to go to file management. Go to file management. The moment you click on file management, go to public_HTML. Now there will be a file I will be sending to you if you are actually doing this. All you just have to do is to upload the file. Now I'll click on upload. You can see, let me go back and show you. You click on upload. At the moment you click on upload, you come to this place and select the file. Then you come to to where you save the file I'll be sending to you, and click on donation, and you click on this. The moment you click on this, you have to wait for it to load. So the moment it just loads, make sure you wait so it can actually stop make sure it shows this green. If it doesn't show this green, that means the file have not yet been uploaded successfully. Then once your file is uploaded, you can cancel this and refresh reload your page, and you can see the file is not here. Now the next thing you have to do is to extract the file. So you right click and you come down and click on extract, and you leave it like this and extract the file. So the moment you extract, it's going to bring out the extracted file, which is this. You can delete this if you don't want it on your cPanel file. You can delete this because this is what we want. So you have to open it and you click on select all. The moment you click on select all, you right click and click on move. Now you have to delete all this for it to move. Now you see, just leave it as this, then you click on move. So automatically it have moved to the next page, and you can click on up one level. And now let's go back to our website and let's refresh and see what happens. Now you can see the file is loading. So you can see, hola, we have actually uploaded the file, you see, on your website. You can see this thing is actually showing now on your website. So now if you want to edit the first page is always known as an index page. So what you have to do is to go back to your file manager and you look for the index. So this is our index page. So what you have to do is to right click and edit. You can see, you can click on edit. Now this is already done with programming, and yours is just to come and make sure you edit the file. Now you see, this is how the file looks like. So what you have to do is, whatever you are looking at on this your page here is what is at the front page here. So take note of it. So for instance, you can see we have support. This might not be your mail. All you have to do is to copy this and go to your index file and press Ctrl F. Now you see there's a search button here. All you just have to do is to paste and see if it brings out the related search. But if it does not bring out, you just have to clean and see whether it brings out. But if it does not bring out, that means know that this is not the index file. All you have to do is to cancel and make sure you look for the index file. Now let's check index 2 edit. Let's see if it's here. Then you click and press your Ctrl F and you paste that file. Let's see if you can find it. Support art. Alright, so this is where you kind of edit whatever you don't want. So let's find. Alright, there's nothing like that here. You see showing 0 points. Then what you have to do is go down. Whatever you are looking for, you want to edit here, is always on the index file. Then maybe you want about us. Then what you have to do is to cancel this and go to about us. You have to look for about us page here. You can see there's contact us, there's course list. This is about us. You can see about us. What you have to do is to right click and click on edit. You can see you can edit this file and you go to about us. Maybe if you find something you don't want, all you have to do is to look for what you want to edit and actually put in it, like this Adam Hobbs. So let's just copy this name and let's go to about us and press your Ctrl F and you paste. You can see Adam Hobbs here. So if I want to edit, this is Adam Hobbs. You can see Adam Hobbs, and if you check, you can see volunteer here. And let's check here, you can see also volunteer here. So for instance, you want to change this, you can also come here and change it to maybe Innocent Andrew. Then what you have to do is to click on save changes. You can see, and now go back to your page. Now let's refresh this and see what happens. You make sure you don't tamper with any code. You can see automatically it have actually changed. So you can also change this right up for it to profit you. What you have to do is to go back and find the write-up. You can see the write-up here, and make sure you edit it and do not tamper with any code you are seeing here. You can edit all of this, but don't tamper with the code, and automatically any editing you are doing will be reflecting here. Now you might be asking, what if I want to change the image? Then what you have to do is, whenever you are done changing any file here, you just save changes and cancel and go back. Now click on this place. If you want to change any image, click on Assets, Images. Now the images of everybody is always here. The image of everybody is always here. You have to take out time to view all this image and see what is there. You can see this is the image of the team, so you can see. So if I want to change this image, all I have to do is to right click and open image in new tab. The moment I open image in new tab, it's going to show me where this image can be found. So it's telling me I can find it in Assets, Image, Team, and Team 1. So what I'm going to do is telling me I can find it in Image, so I have to go back and say, okay, let me find it. This is our public_HTML, and it's telling me I can find it in Assets. I'm going to go to Assets. After Asset, what next? Image. So I'm going to go down to my image. Then after image, what next? I can see team and team again. So I'm going to go back again and say, okay, this is team. Look at my team here. So I'm going to look and say, okay, this is team 1. So I'm going to go and say, okay, this is it. This is team 1. So let me view it and see whether it is correct. You can see this is the image. Now, how do I want to change this image? What you have to do is to download this image. You have to save this image, save it, and the moment you save this image, you can now go and go to your download and make sure you check the details of that image. So this is our download, and let's preview. All right, this is our download, and you can see this is team 1 and it's a JPEG file. Take note, is a JPEG file. So what you have to do is to make sure that your image is on a JPEG file. The moment your image is on a JPEG file, what you have to do is to now upload. So let me just find any image that is a JPEG file. So let me click on this and check. What you have to do is to check properties. So you can see this is a JPEG file. Let's check this again, properties. Okay, so what you have to do is to right click and check on properties. Let's check on the properties. Let's see what we are having there. This is a JPEG file. You see, make sure your file is on JPEG. If you don't know how to convert a particular picture to JPEG, there's a site you can visit. You can say picture, okay, JPEG, JPG. You can convert. Okay, you can also use, like me, I already have a JPEG file here. So what I have to do is make sure you save the name to the name you are seeing here. So what you have to do is to click on this and make sure you save the name. Let it be a corresponding name. So I'm going to edit this, Ctrl C, and make sure your image is a JPEG file. Take note. So I'm going to come to this and I'm going to right click and click on edit. I'm going to edit the name. I'm going to paste. You can see you can convert JPG to JPEG. So you can also come here and say convert JPG to JPEG. Okay, JPG. So let's see. Sorry, let me check and see. What I have here. All right, to JPG. All right, convert to JPG. So let's enter and see. You can see JPG is an online converter. You can use this like I've used this before. So what you have to do is to choose a file you want to convert. So I'm going to go to my download, and maybe I want to convert this file. Let me look for where is that my file? Okay, I want to convert this file. So what I have to do is to upload the file. Then the moment I upload it, I don't know why it's not working, but let me try it again. Okay, it's already here. So this is it. Then I'm going to click on convert. You see it have already converted. You click on download. Alright, it have downloaded, so I have to go back and check my download. So now you see it have converted now to JPEG. You see, before, take note, it was JPG, but now it's on JPEG. So what I have to do is make sure I delete this one. Let me delete this one because you can't have two names at the same time. Then I'm going to delete this and edit the name also. I'll make sure the name corresponds with the other one. So the moment I'm done, I'm going to click on enter. So this is it. Now let's go back to our website. Now what you have to do on this particular page is, don't forget we already have a theme. Let me cancel this. So you have to upload. You have to go back, and this is the theme now. So you have to upload. So the moment you click on upload, you have to select the file. You can select this. You can see it's telling you the following file already exists on your server. You said it will ask you, do you want to overwrite the other file? You click on yes, then you wait. Now you see it have uploaded. Then you can cancel this. Now automatically, if we go to our website, we have actually changed this. So let's refresh and see what happens. Okay, now let's go down and see whether if it have changed. Right, you can see it have actually changed. So this is how you are going to do the rest. Maybe if you want to check this, I guess now this the other person should be file 2 because it's well arranged. So you can see this is file 2. So what you have to do is to do the same thing and make sure the name corresponds. So this is how you can be able to change the picture. Now let's go back and check other things you can be able to change. Same thing to this place. You can see if you want to change anything about us, you make sure you go to the file. You can see up one page, go back. This is going back. So you can go to the about us. This is the about us. Click on edit. So this is how you can edit the about us page. You can see, make sure you do not tamper with any code here. So what you have to do is whatever you are looking at this place is also what's on this place. So now let's assume you want to change this step forward. You just have to copy it and come to this place and press your Ctrl F. You can see the supports. You can see the supports at humanitarian something. You can also change it to your own way. So you can, maybe if your own is supports whatever it is, then you can change it to whatever you want to change it to. But let me show you what I want to show you. You can just come here, Ctrl F, and this search bar will come on board. Then you press Ctrl V. You can see step forward, serve the humanity reach. So I can come here and change it to whatever I want. I can say help the poor. I'm just doing this as an illustration. Help the poor, something like this. Then I'm going to save changes. The moment I save changes, I can come to this place and refresh. Let's see what have actually happened. So anything you change on the cPanel also happens on the main website. So whatever you want to change, all you just have to do is to find it on your cPanel and make changes without tampering with any code. Automatically it's going to reflect on your main website. Alright, so you can see help the poor, what we just edited from this particular place. You can see help the poor. Now let's go to this is how you can edit everything that is written here. Your own is just to carry whatever you want to edit and make sure you come to where the file is and search for it. Now let's get back to maybe the donation, or maybe the donation. So let's go to the donation, because the payment that is here on this BTC is not your own payment. Now look up, you can see donation dash page HTML. So .html. So what you have to do is to go back and make sure you look for donation. we'll find a donation. Make sure you find donation. Now you can see this is the page. What you have to do is to left click and click on edit. So it will take you to where you can cancel this. We are no more on about us page, we are on donation page. And what you have to do next is to see whatever you want to edit here. You can actually see it, payment details and lots more. You can just copy this and come to this place and Ctrl F and V. You can see payment details. You can see this crypto wallet that have been inscribed here is also what it's showing here. So you make sure you edit it to your own way. Now for this image, what you have to do next is to open image in a new tab. You can see it's showing iUltimate/QR code.jpg. So what you have to do is to make sure you check it and find the QR code on your public_HTML. So you can see this is where the QR code is. Now let's view and see. Now this is your QR code. So what you have to do is same process. What you have to do is to download it, and the moment you download it, you make sure you go back to your home. Now when you go to your home, you make sure you already have your QR code of the one you want to use on your desktop or anywhere. Then you edit the name. Make sure you edit it so it will be corresponding with this other QR code. Now let me edit this and show you what I simply means. Now I'm going to copy this QR code, come to this place, I'm going to edit this and V and press enter. Mind you, it will tell you that you cannot have two QR codes, so just delete this one. And what you have to do is to click edit and make sure you clean everything so it will match the other one. So I'm going to press my enter. So what I have to do is to go back now to my website. So I'm going to come to my upload. I'm going to click on my upload. The moment I click on my upload, I'm going to select file. Then I'm going to select where the QR code is, and it's going to ask me, do I want to override the other one? I'm going to say yes. Now once I say yes, it's already done. Make sure this shows on green. Then let me cancel this now and go back. Now let me go and refresh my page. Now let's see whether if it has changed. So I'm going to refresh. Alright, now let's check if it have actually changed. You can see it have changed. So this is how you change all the details on this particular page. And make sure you also change all of this. You can see support at this might not be your name, so make sure you change it to your own, and don't forget the copyright. So all you have to do is to copy and go to your donation page and press your Ctrl F. Don't forget, this is it. Then I'm going to paste what I want to change. You can see this is where I can change it. Now I can be changing my own to maybe iUltimate, something of that nature, iUltimateConcept, .com.ng, support at iUltimateConcept.com.ng. Then there are 3 that has the same link, so I'm going to click on this one. I'm going to let me go back to now you can see I'm going to still put iUltimate. This is how I'm going to change it. iUltimateConcept.com.ng. You can see I'm going to copy all of this. Let me just copy this so I will not be. Now I'm going to go and be pasting it. You see, don't tamper with any code. You can see I'm going to go to the next and make sure this is how I'm going to edit them. Then I'll go back again and click on the next after this copyright. So I'm going to come to this place and click on copyright. Let me see if they are going to give me anything concerning copyright. You can see copyright, you can see Mauritania. Then I'm just going to clean this. I'm going to remove this. I'm going to delete this. Then I'm going to click on save changes. Now you see it have finished uploading. Then let's go to our website and refresh. Let's see whether the change have been made. Alright, now let's check. You can see everything is well. You can see everything is well. So all the changes we have made have been actualized. So this is how you make changes in the pages. Thank you so much, and make sure you give us a thumbs up, a like, and don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. If you want any of these tools being used, make sure you communicate me. See you on my next video.